Hi, welcome back. So we've got a little orchard planted here. Today is the day after we planted, and I just wanted to share with you what we did. I'll do a follow-up video so that you can see how the plants are doing later on. But for now, let me go ahead and show you the first day after we've planted. So as you can see, we've got the little berms going. We're going to add some more soil so that we can get those a little bit taller. So we want to have a nice little watering trough area like you see on this one. And then we need to pick up some more of this nice mulch as well too. And this is our little peach tree. So you can see it's got beautiful little peach blossoms that are going on it already. So she's doing awesome. In fact, just this morning I noticed that we already have some leafing happening here and it's opening up. So I think this is going to be a little prized fruit tree. And then over here, this is where we put in an apricot tree. So this is a Katy apricot, and my sister has one of these in her yard in Southern California here, where we are as well. And hers does great, so I expect a lot of nice fruit from that one. And over in this hole, we did a couple of apple trees in the same hole because we wanted to have some extra space for more trees. So here we've got a Dorset apple. That one gets to be pretty tall. If I remember, it was about 15 to 20 feet. And then this one is an Anna apple, and that one gets to be a little smaller. So what we did is we put the Anna apple over here on the south side, and then we put the Dorset apple on the north side, so that when the sun goes from the east to the west, this will not be blocked, and then the larger tree will be behind it. And then as you can see down here, we've got those grafting areas facing just where they're supposed to be. That one's got a little too much mulch around it. Get some of that off of there. Planted in the rain yesterday. To have that exposed a little bit there. There we go. I'm gonna have some dirty hands now, but that's alright. Okay. I think I'll get some water and rinse that off in a minute. And then over here, we've got a plum tree. So this one might not, probably won't get any fruit from this one for another 2 years. These are all 2-year-old trees, and most of them will blossom this year, but the apples and the plum will need to wait for another year or two. So let's see here, and then over here we've got Double Delight Nectarine. And look at this. Okay, so she's doing really well too. These are gonna take great. I didn't notice this last time I was out here a few hours ago. So, they were all closed up, and so it looks like they're already starting to open. We did have these soaking in water before we planted them to help bust them out of dormancy. That seems to really have made a good difference. This one is another nectarine. This is our Snow Queen nectarine. And then we got these from groworganic.com, but they are from this Dave Wilson nursery, and I'm just really happy. I mean, look how beautiful that cut is there. So we'll let them all just kind of grow and do their thing this year, and then next winter we'll do some pruning on them and try to get that all figured out. So we'll show you the process. Super excited. And yay! All right, so got a little orchard going. So we hope you have a wonderful day and make it a green one.